Today, we're gonna talk about how to do barbell hip thrusts. First, start by sitting on the floor with your mid back on the edge of the bench. Roll back the bar towards your body. Make sure that your hip is directly beneath the middle of the bar, so when you raise it up, it wouldn't go off balance. Now to take the best stance for the hip thrust, extend your legs and mark where your knees are, and then place your heels in the same place. Grab the bar with your hands, and then push your hips off the floor until your back is nearly parallel to the ground. Squeeze your glutes, and then go down and repeat. Make sure that your chin is always tucked in so it wouldn't put tension on your neck. Always keep pushing through the heels and don't go on your toes as it will put tension on your knees. Keep on repeating until the set is complete.